Hi beauties, welcome to Wendy Styles. This haircut today is a style for older women. It's a style that really works on different hair texture. Shorter cuts usually needs a bit more upkeep. One thing about this style is that they are hairstyle that specializes in mature texture. So it's a style for women that have thinny hair and try to use one of the best products that will help your aging hair texture. You can go for a lightweight moisture shampoos or the leave-in conditioners and volumizing sprays. Please try to avoid heavy products because your strands need hydration. It needs leaves and a little bounce, not just build up. So this hairstyle works best for women who are very active or exercise regularly, because the best hairstyle for active women is something short, and it's a style like the Pixies, the Tapered, the bob, even the layered cut can really clip up easily. So what you can do if your hairline is really receding or thinning at the temples, just start with that lightweight volumizing cut to really boost fullness around the thin spots. Sometimes you talk to your stylist about disguising hair loss at the temples with bangs, and you can see how great women always work with texture, and they will help to live a little lighter and love the mirror. You can even on those messy headaches. Let me let you get to please about the rest of the styles. I really appreciate every one of you. God bless you guys and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.